If you're here to this video, you probably have a little flame flickering to draw. Nothing is impossible, and drawing is a skill. You just have to learn it. It's not like dancing or singing. The talent is something, but in drawing, hard work beats the talent always. So that's what we're talking today, the basis of how to learn to draw, and I'm gonna show you the key, guys. But the only thing that I want to say right now is the first thing that you have to do is just to escape it in your mind that you can learn to draw. So if you can do that, to escape that you can draw, yeah, that's the first thing that you have to believe. You can draw, and now I'm gonna show you how. The first thing that you have to do is buy a sketchbook. An artist always need a sketchbook. The second thing, always sharpen your pencil. The first question is what to sketch. You can sketch whatever you want, there's no limit. You can sketch your finger, your eyes, you can sketch a bird, you can sketch everything. Let's move on. If you are a totally beginner, what I want you to do is just do some straight lines. Just warm up your hand or practice it, just use one line. Don't try to do shapes like you just have to do one line without removing the pencil from paper, like that. It don't have to be perfect. That's one of the best practices that you can do in your sketchbook. After you did the lines, the circles, start with natural elements like mountains. One thing that makes a difference in sketching is volume. Just with that line, we can create volume in our mountain. And one tip for beginners is to make the shadow with straight lines like that. Now we have volume in our sketch. You can do rocks. Just let your hand free. Rocks, so simple. You can do a tree like after a while, I'm sure that you're gonna see progress on it. You just have to be fast if you're a beginner. Don't try to do the details. Be as fast as you can. No problem if it is wrong. Maybe a flower. Flower is something like that. Only one line, one line, one line, one line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. It don't need to be beautiful. It need to be fast. You just have to let your hand free. Everybody trying to do this. Bam, 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 bam. Some curly hair and bam. I'm sure that everybody can do that. There you have another character. Try this out in your sketchbook. That's the first tutorial from me. I want to keep it simple and be as real as possible. That's a skill and you have to learn it. And the way that I found is like that. So be patient, buy a sketchbook, use only one line without removing from the paper. It's a sketch, not photography, so keep it simple and keep it fast. You have to be fast. To learn to draw, first of all you have to learn to sketch. What to sketch? You can sketch whatever you want. Use lines for shadows, volume to make things look more 3D realistic. That was the first tutorial from me. If you want more tutorials like that, just comment down below what to do next time, and hope you got a little bit inspired from that and to start something new. If you feel passionate about it, go for it. That's all that I've got to say. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And as you know, take care of yourself, guys. See you next time.